What makes Ivor Fernandes unique for your business and marketing? The first aspect of his uniqueness is that he knows how to communicate in the voice of his counterpart so as to have the rhythm and style of language and to deliver a clear and concise message. He finds the common ground to begin meaningful communication and expands from there. This is the backbone of understanding needs, and he wants to provide the right solutions. He is constantly learning and looking for new and better ways to improve his abilities and knowledge so he can improve the value of the company and increase ROI. He can blend in with all the groups at work and in the business world, finding common ground and breaking the ice. He looks at a problem that can be solved by understanding the point of origin by looking outward and from what one might see by looking inward. Considering a 360-degree view from outside in and inside out. Then a solution is designed. He applies logic and emotion to how the problem is viewed and how a dynamic solution will work for the best results. A true gift that can't be measured. It's like 95% of the movies made give themselves away to him. It's because the solutions are always noticeable from small yet significant inputs in the movie. Nothing fails Ivor Fernandes to catch these clues. He usually sees everything, and this knowledge makes for better problem solving and better decisions. He doesn't like a failure, but he is also not afraid of it. Failure is a learning experience that will bring success with sustainability, knowing the pitfalls of the previous failure, which is priceless in the long run. He is highly organized to break down the smaller components of problems or marketing solutions and restructure them to better meet the needs of the company with less waste and therefore increase the ROI. Software as a service companies need to begin the sales process online and on the website. Conversational marketing begins from this point and is carried out in a timely fashion to understand the issues, problems, and concerns to generate the answers needed for a successful project. He brings this solution to your business. Consider Ivor Fernandes for the position to evolve your marketing into a measurable return on investment.